Good morning. Hope everything is going well. Hey, just wanted to give you a quick heads up on a program that we're running. We started on April 15th that runs through August 31st, and it is for teachers, those special people who take care of our children and do everything they do for them. And I know teachers out there, they wish they had more for their classroom and they end up spending a lot of their own money. This program we're doing, anyone who does a refinance, a teacher that does a purchase with us or a refinance, we will give them $500 towards their classroom. And I'll show you a little bit of information on it here. It's our teacher program. They close a loan with us. They're going to get $500 towards the classroom supplies. They'll go into DonorsChoose.org. They'll set up a project, and then we'll donate the money there. And they can send that project out to anyone for donations to add up even more money. But this is a good thing for you to get out there and talk to teachers, show them what we're offering them, and let them know we're going to take care of them and make these children's learning experiences better. So if you have any questions about this or any other questions, give me a call. Look forward to working with you, your clients, and all the teachers out there. My number is 972-608-7516, and my cell is 214-543-3997. Thanks a lot. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you guys have a great day.